Hello everyone, Michael Dalton, your trusted Columbus realtor. I'm here in my basement today doing some much needed maintenance on my furnace filter. Experts say that you should check your filter once a month and change it every 3 months. However, one thing they don't really explain to you is where and which direction does that arrow go? Well, today we're going to solve the mystery. First and foremost, I want to show you my old filter. It's been about 3 months. It's kind of gross. I bought a new filter, and I personally like to get the higher number filter. It's got better capabilities for dust mites, etc. So today I'm using a Filtrete, and it's a brand new filter. And which direction does the arrow go? Well, here's a good rule of thumb. I've got two things I'm looking at. This is my unit, and this is my return. The arrow always goes toward the unit. You know, by changing the filter every 3 months, you guarantee better house quality filtration, but also your unit itself tends to breathe a little bit better.